Welcome to Ilorin Durbar, a festival where hundreds of horsemen storm the city. An event that turns an entire city into a living history book. You see these horses, they are not here for racing. They are here to tell a story. A story about faith, about culture, and about identity. Every year, after Eid al-Adha, the city of Ilorin, Kwara State, comes alive. Thousands of people gather here for one of Nigeria's most spectacular cultural festivals, Ilorin Durbar. The event is surrounded by horsemen, drummers, praise singers, traditional leaders, dignitaries, spectators, and the entire masses of Ilorin Emirate. Ilorin Emirate. And trust me, when hundreds of decorated horses start moving together, you feel it before you even see it. Ilorin is a city where cultures meet. Yoruba, Fulani, Nupe, Kanuri, Gobiri, and many others. And during Durbar, every one of those identity appears on display.
This Durbar we are celebrating now, how does it have an impact?
Zero malala balu lori nígbà yẹn ẹ wo zero ma ẹ ní ṣe ẹ wo zero ma ká ẹ ní ṣe ẹ bàbá ni animi sọtẹ kígbe ṣe.
Well, the uniqueness of Ilorin as well is different from many other towns in the country because Ilorin as a community is a conglomerate of different cultures and tribes. Ilorin is a place where we can describe as a mini Nigeria because Nigeria as a country is populated by different countries, different tribes and ethnic groups, about 500 people, 500 different tribes and ethnics. So, but when you come to Ilorin as well, you can never say Ilorin belongs to a particular tribe.
For many families, participating in Durbar is not an hobby, it is a legacy. And every year, the crowds get bigger. Visitors now travel from across Nigeria and even from other countries just to witness the spectacle. Durbar is not only about culture, it's about opportunity. Now, let's talk about the real stars, the horsemen. These riders spend months preparing. Their horses are dressed like royalty. The riders wear flowing gowns and turbans, and when the procession begins, they perform display of horsemanship. Artisans sell their craft, transport operators make more money. For many people, this single festival creates economic opportunity that lasts long after the horses leave the streets. And in a world where many traditions are disappearing, Ilorin is doing the opposite. It is preserving the history and sharing it with the world. The world often talks about African culture, but festival like this remind us of something important.
Well, the uniqueness of Ilorin as well is different from many other towns in the country because Ilorin as a community is a conglomerate of different cultures and tribes. Ilorin is
You cannot build the future if you forget your story. And Ilorin, that story is still riding proudly through the streets. So next time someone tell you culture is disappearing, bring them to Ilorin Durbar because here history doesn't sit in a museum, it rides.